What's up, everyone? This is day 19, and there's a 211 on the B train. Right now, I'm at the Broadway Lafayette. It's raining here. I got an umbrella, and I have to head to school right now. So, like, yeah, I'm tired of shit, bro. I'm tired. I'm fucking tired, bro. That's done, bro. Oh, fuck, bro. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna head to school.
A few inches later.
Okay. Right now, on the 211 on the B train. I went to the express to heading to 125th. So, like, yeah. Because after that, I fell asleep. So, like, yeah. Alright, y'all. Don't worry about my hair like that. Okay, so, like, yeah. And right now, I'm gonna head to school. It was fucking raining out here. And so, like, yeah. Woo! Oh, shit. I almost was about to wrap it in all the time, though. So, like, yeah. I will see you guys later.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, now it's just in time for the B train. I just went to the R68 B train, but I'm gonna wait for another one because there's so many crowds in here. So many crowds on the B train on R68 though. So like yeah.
This is a Brooklyn-bound B train.
Whew.
The next stop is 168th Street.
Oh yeah, that was a thing
Stand clear
of
the
the
please.
what is the name again? 145th Street. So like yeah. Now I'm about to sleep.
One eternity later.
Right now I'm on the 211 on the B train, and I forgot to put on the video, but just right now there's 4:06 right now. So like yeah. Sorry for the delay, but I was sleepy because I was tired. And I just get off of school already, like around 2:40 something, yeah. And so that's it. I'm not getting off at Kingshighway to take the beat back to meet up for my boyfriend. So like yeah, he's get off of college already. So like yeah.
Eventually.
So it was like a good day, but rainy here. I forgot about the video with my boyfriend, but I forgot. So I will see you guys at day 20.
Think about me now and then. Yeah, do you think about me now and then? 'Cause I'm coming.